When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service we've given them and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident that you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you, and we're only a call away from serving you.